Hi, how are you? How many of you want to be successful in life? This is pretty standard. Life has given me some success in some fields which I never thought I'll get. What are the big things? Like writing a book. If you have to run for a marathon, if I tell you 42 kilometers भागना होता है, तो बोलेगा हो ही नहीं सकता. But people do it. How do they do it? By training, right? Losing a lot of weight, getting rid of addiction like smoking or something like that is considered very difficult, and preparing for entrance exam. मेरे लिए सारी चीज़ें सेम है. आपको पतले होना है, आपको IIT में जाना है, मेरे लिए सेम है. या आपको बुक लिखनी है, it's same for me. All it needs is a approach and a dedicated approach. Of course, it's not just enough to listen to a lecture and think of approach, but I'll tell you how people who do it, how they do it. I have something called the 6-step process. This is how you achieve big things. Like I said, just listen now. First is setting a clear goal. Second is reasons behind that goal. Third is finding the group, detailed action plan, setback dealing mechanism, and faith. It can apply to anything. It can apply to losing weight or anything in life. So the first thing is setting a clear goal. If I tell you, I have to write my next book, is it a goal? If I tell you I want to get into a good college, is it a goal? They're not goals. They're not goals because they are dreams. By when do I want to write the next book? By this October I want a new book out. Therefore I have so many days left, therefore ये काम करना है. Then it becomes a goal. अच्छे कॉलेज में जाना है यार. What does it even mean? You have to say, I have to clear this medical exam by this year with a rank of at least this. Yeah, I have to at least clear AIEEE or whatever it is. In this case, you have to be specific and defined, and your timing is very important. Then becomes goal. Dreams, पतले होना है यार. गुलाब जामुन खा रहे हो उसके बाद. But you have to say, कब तक होना है? And then go for it. It's still not easy. But each step I'll tell you, people who don't make it, often हर step पे लोग कटते जाते हैं. काफ़ी लोग तो गोल ही नहीं ठीक से सेट करते. But in entrance exam cases, it's quite clear often कि ये वाला करना है तो चलो हो गया. Next is reasons behind the goal. यहाँ पे बहुत बच्चे गड़बड़ करते हैं. क्यों जाना है? क्यों जाना है? IIT में क्यों जाना? मम्मी ने कहा इसलिए जाना, दोस्त जा रहे हैं इसलिए जाना है, और करने को है भी क्या? पता नहीं, सभी कहते हैं. It's not clear. Why do you want it? And it has to be answer to this question, why do you want it? Why do you want this goal? क्यों होना है पतले? पता नहीं यार, आजकल फैशन में है. अच्छा रीज़न नहीं है ना. लंबी मेहनत हो ही नहीं पाएगी. पर कहा आई वॉन्ट टू बी हेल्दी, मेरी शादी नहीं हो रही, आई डोंट नो, whatever it is, it has to be something very specific and it has to be from you. And another way to ask is, what will happen if you don't get this? Ask yourself, अगर ये नहीं मिला मुझे तो क्या गड़बड़ हो जाएगी मेरी लाइफ में? And if you have the answers, then it's good. But the point is, you have to be convinced. Reason cannot be parents. You have to say, हाँ यार मुझे चाहिए. अगर आपका रीज़न नहीं है तो आगे की तैयारी का फ़ायदा नहीं है. लंबी मेहनत में बहुत बहुत टाइम लगता है. अगर आपका रीज़न गलत होगा, बीच में अपने आप आपका माइंड यू टर्न ले लेगा और आप छोड़ दोगे. सो दैट शुडंट बी देयर. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड इज फाइंडिंग अ ग्रुप. ग्रुप रियली हेल्प्स. अब्रॉड जब किसी को सिगरेट वगैरह छोड़नी होती है तो पहले आपको ग्रुप में बिठा देते हैं, वो स्मोकर्स एनोनिमस, ये वो. अगर आप बोलते हो मुझे रोज़ सुबह उठ के सैर पे जाना है, और अगर 4-5 पड़ोसी मिलके हों तो 4-5 पड़ोसी हों तो बेटर होता है ना. सेम अगर एक ग्रुप बन जाएगी, हाँ हम सारे मिलके IIT की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, so it becomes easier. And that is where sometimes the coaching programs help, because you have a lot of people who are equally serious, so you feel that is your world. सेम फॉर डाइटिंग. अगर 4-5 पीपल आर ईटिंग हेल्दी अराउंड यू तो आप भी हेल्दी खाओगे. अगर आप अकेले डाइट पे और घर पे समोसे आ रहे हैं, पकौड़े तल रहे हैं, कब तक बचोगे? है ना? टेस्ट तो कर ही लोगे. बस फिर यही होता है. सो दैट इज द इशू. ग्रुप इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. हाँ, पर करना आप ही को है. ये तो नहीं कह सकते कि आज आप लोग सैर कराओ मेरी जगह, and same you have to study, but a group can motivate you, and as long as the dynamic is good, you don't start competing with each other and things like that. It's very important to have that group. It makes it easier. Next. Now this is the most important step, is the detailed action plan. If I have to write a book, 1 page a day is 365 pages, and 1 page a day is possible. You can say कि आज का पोटा किया कि नहीं किया, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं करना, उससे कम नहीं करना. Same applies to the entrance exam preparation. It's basically a script of your plan. You have to be really write the plan. I have so many days left to the entrance exam. I have so many chapters. I will study like this. I will, use these books. I will do this. And you will have the weekly quotas. From the weekly quota, you will have a daily quota. And then you only have to worry about the daily quota. तो आपने क्या किया, जब आपका डेली कोटा होगा उसे आप छोटी मेहनत वाले काम की तरह भी कर सकते हो, धक्का लगा के. लंबी मेहनत का काम नहीं कर सकते. सो द एम ऑफ द एक्शन प्लान इज टू कट इट अप इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस. व्हेन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर टोल्ड अ वेरी बिग जॉब, वी गेट स्ट्रेस्ड, वी गेट पैनिक अटैक. इफ यू से कि नहीं बस आज आपको करना है, आज का कर लो, कल की कल देखेंगे. इट बिकम्स स्टिल डिफिकल्ट. It's still challenging, it's still you have to be disciplined, but it becomes a little easier कि आज का ये है. That's all you have to do, right? So what topics you will cover, by when, what resources, and this can keep getting revised. It's not like you'll get the perfect plan the first time. In a few months you will say, was my plan too easy? Was it too difficult? You keep doing. But you have to make an action plan, right? Then you need to have a setback dealing mechanisms. आप जितनी अच्छी तैयारी कर लो, जितना अच्छा action plan बना लो, reason, आप करने बैठोगे, some gadbad will happen. I'm writing a book, halfway through the book I'll think, अरे यार, will this work? ना अच्छी लगी लोगों को तो. Now I've written half of it, so I can't throw it. What is happening? Anxiety. What is happening? Nobody can tell me कि it will work or not till it's finished. वो तो बाद में पता लगेगा. But you get tense. And this, you are preparing for the entrance and you get bad marks in a mock test. You're like, ये क्या हो गया यार? Now, emotional response is panic, quitting, running away, hiding. But that's not what you need. What you need is logical response, which is कुछ reason होगा गड़बड़ क्यों हुई. So that reason you have to figure out. You have to take a break, you have to revisit your goal, you have to ask your group what happened, your mentors come in. Because some problems will happen. लंबी मेहनत का काम कभी smooth नहीं जाता है. If you are on a diet, sometimes you will miss up on the diet. And then the faith, whenever you're doing a long project, whether it's a movie or a book or an entrance exam preparation, you don't know how the result will be. Until the movie comes to the theater, you can get 100 opinions, but nobody knows. Nobody knows. So if nobody knows, then, it's an issue. You have to faith in God in this situation. You have to say, it'll help. Now, I am not a person proposing people should pray more or anything. It doesn't have to be in God. It can be in parents. It can be in universe. It can be just thinking कि यार जो मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ इसका कभी नुकसान नहीं होगा. This is my 6-step plan, which I would like you to put it up somewhere. And right now use it for entrance exam, but anything at all in life is like this. Know the goal, reasons, make a group, make an action plan, learn to deal with some setback and have faith. That is the simplest I can cover in one lecture. And if you apply this to this and put your heart into it and put the right resources available to you, I think you can go very, very far in life. Thank you.